Good morning, everyone. I welcome you all in series of SQLite. Today, topic for discussion is SQLite GLOB clause, and let us move to the next slide. SQLite GLOB clause. SQLite GLOB clause operator is a very important operator, and basically, SQLite GLOB operator matches only text values against a pattern by using wildcards. When the search expression is matched with pattern expression, the globe operator will return true, which is 1. So basically, you can say it uses that wildcard asterisk and question mark. Wildcard is something you can say it's a placeholder, and it represents or replace multiple characters or single characters. So you don't need to write full name of a file you are going to search. You have to just write this asterisk or question mark. So asterisk is for representing zero or multiple numbers or characters, and question marks that represents a single number or character. So here we have this syntax of asterisk sign. Select from table name, where column and then globe, and then any that given values that we have to search. Generally, this globe operator is used for searching in the file. So this is important. Rather than writing big names of files, you have to just write these characters, these wildcard characters, and finally you search the result. Second is select from table name, their column and block, and final. So this is that we use the syntax in this way. So now these are different syntax. Suppose it's for the question mark. In previous one we were using this asterisk, but in this one we were using this question mark. So in some of these syntaxes, question mark is at the end, like that. In this one, it is in the beginning, then end and beginning both, and only the question mark is there. So let us we will find some of the examples of how to write this, because these syntaxes are general. Let's try to understand the concept behind that. So this is one of that example statement where fees flow 200 as well under single quotes. Each and every given these values are under single quotes. So remember that along with the values and that asterisk and question mark. So first one that finds any value that start with 200. So means of this particular syntax is that in that given file finds any value that start with 200. So this is important. Now here asterisk both places in the beginning and at the end. It means that find any value that have 200 in any position. So in a given string or that segments, if you have to just find value 200 in any position. Now next one is single quote, then question mark, then 00, then star, then single quote. Finds any value that has 00 in the second and third position, because if you start from 1, so 00 align at second and third position. This is second position, this is third position, because question mark before that. So this is 1, then this is 2, and then this is 3. So you have to find values that have 00 in the second and third position. Next is where fees globe are 2. So start with 2 and are at least 3 characters in the length. It means under these single quotes that any value that is start with 2 and length of that characters will be 3. So this is that we have with this syntax. Where fees globe start 2, so any value that ends with 2, because here it is ending with 2. So you have to find any value that ends with 2. In this case, if you just see that 1, 2, 3, 4, so 2 is aligned at second position and end with 3. So you have to find any value that is having that 2 at second position and that is going to end with 3. This is the meaning of this particular statement. Now next is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is a five-digit number. Any five-digit number which starts with 2 and ends with 3. So this is the way that the searching from the file is going to be taken place. Now here we have this concept, and here I have taken one this example that select all records from a student where fees start with 2. So as we have this syntax, we replace this find any value that is start with 200, so that will be where fees globe single quote 2 asterisk single quote, so that will be single quote 2 asterisk single quote. Only this 200 is going to be replaced with 2 because it starts with 2. So this is the way that we may use these syntax and semantics. Thank you very much being with me in this session. If you like these videos, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you may get the notification of the latest uploaded video. Your supports and suggestions are always most welcome. Have a nice day.